So today we're going to watch something here, ladies and gentlemen. I can't even. I just can't even. There's one in every group. There's one in every group. Let's just watch along here. This lady is absolutely Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. And I couldn't go without sharing this with everybody. So here we go.
You set your yard on fire. Who did?
It is my yard. I work for the government. The government is a deep state satanic cabal.
You put that down right now. I'll blow your fucking brains out.
I just myself. I'm a Christian. You can't
I don't
do this
care.
to me. This is
We're 15 seconds in. We're 15 seconds in, and I think you can already catch the vibe.
On September 20th, 2023, officers responded to a residence following a report of a woman igniting a telephone pole in her neighbor's yard.
I'm 1023. The telephone box in the yard's smoking and it's charred up pretty bad. Say what?
Pancake.
How are you? Say again? Okay. All right, we were called here. You set your yard on fire. Who did?
It is my yard.
You set your yard on fire. No, I didn't. It's oh, this is gonna get good. All right, I'm gonna stopping it. This is one of the best ones I've seen in quite some time.
Is that your yard too?
Over there? No, that's their yard.
Okay, well, where?
But currently, you are standing on my yard.
Yes, ma'am.
You work for the government.
I do.
I don't know if you're a Christian, but if you read Matthew chapter 23, you might want to take a look at that. They're going to drag you to hell working for Satan.
I get that. But why did you set something on their yard on fire?
It's not their yard. This is my property line.
That is on your property? But that is not your property.
It is on my property.
I don't care. The telephone company, that's their property.
Oh, you mean the company? Don't come any closer. Don't come any closer.
I need to talk. I need to talk to you.
You can talk to me from the yard. I'll stand in my yard. You stand on the...
No, you're not going to tell me what to do.
Okay.
We were called here.
What to do.
I'm not telling you anything.
You work for the government. The government is a deep state satanic cabal. They do not tell Christians what to do. I can tell who's been reading their Bible lately.
So this is going to be something pretty similar to the sovereign citizen things. Although I've not seen this angle before, where the government can't tell Christians what to do. That one I think we've all seen the sovereign citizens and all of that. This is new. I have not seen this angle used before.
That's on my property. I've asked for it to be removed. I'm taking care of the problem. So it's the utility company. Do not come any closer.
Where's your fire extinguisher?
It's right there. Get off of my property.
I don't care.
Okay.
The fantastic, ironic part of having the fire extinguisher right there. She just won't shut up. Oh, what was that? Hold on a second. Hold on. I'm seeing something written in chalk on the sidewalk there. What was that? What was that? He walks past the thing, and there's something written in chalk. On the sidewalk, or is there just cracks? No, what is that? Is that just cracks, or is there something written? I can't make it out. Looks like near something, and then 1776. So I can't read what this is over here, but she must have 1776 written there on the sidewalk. I missed that the first time watching it.
You might want to look it up.
You're under arrest for criminal damage to property first degree. Yes, you are. You put that down right now. I'll blow your fucking brains out. Put it down. Put it down.
Got it on camera. You cannot take it. No, you can't. You were trespassing. I just on myself.
That's good for you.
Stop! You were trespassing. You were trespassing on my property. Stop!
Give me your hands.
I'm about
Give me your
on myself. No,
Give
you were
me.
kidnapping on
Give me your hands.
I'm about to on myself.
Well,
3
that's
times.
too bad. You should have thought about that.
No,
3 times.
that is
Give
my
me your
property.
hands. No, it's not. That's
Yes,
telephone
it
company.
is.
No, it's not.
The telephone. Let me
Turn
tell you
around.
something. No, stop.
Turn
I'm
around.
Leave a comment if you've ever seen anybody use "I'm going to shit myself" as a way to get out from getting arrested. I'm a Christian. I've shit myself. This one's unique.
Turn around.
If I
Turn
do
around.
it on me and you.
Turn
Don't. You
around.
cannot do this.
Yes, I am. Turn around.
You work for the
Spit
government.
on me
I'm
and
a
you.
Christian,
I don't care.
me.
58, she's got.
It's broken. Oh, look, I'm kidding. I'm sorry.
That's too
Oh my
bad.
Do you want to watch me go to the bathroom?
No, I don't. Turn around. 10:22. Turn around.
I'm on my
Turn
property.
around.
I am on my property.
Turn around,
And this is
shit myself.
She pulled her gun on me.
Really?
Yes, she did.
This is ridiculous.
I agree.
Myself.
I'm shitting on myself.
Myself right now.
I shit
you lost your shoe.
myself. I want you to love me.
10:95.
The government does not tell Christians what to do.
What? Where?
I'm on my
How?
property. I asked for that to be removed.
The crazy part is that she's got this nice
You're on
house
my
there.
property and you're kidnapping me for doing something on my property. It's fire season.
It's fire season.
Yes, it is fire season.
Stand still.
Seriously, have y'all ever read Matthew chapter 23 about what it says the devil will do getting you to work for him in the government?
What does it say about
You're
shitting
preventing
yourself?
Christians from entering the kingdom of heaven, and they're going to prevent you from doing it too. You can't arrest me. This is kidnapping.
Come on. Go. Go.
Can I take my daily devotion?
No.
My door is wide open. Don't
That's fine. We'll secure it.
Can I take my daily
Fire
devotion?
on my property. No.
You don't
I
anymore. I already
refuse
put it out.
Get off my property! Get off my property! God damn it, you're about to rip my arms off! You're pulling me that way! You're pulling me that way!
Yeah, that's fine.
This is kidnapping! There's a fire on my property and you're kidnapping me!
Get in the truck.
No, I'm not! This is kidnapping! This is kidnapping!
Sheriff's office, sheriff's department, anybody home?
No.
Anybody here make your
Nobody's
phone call?
home. Lady, I doubt anybody was going to want to kidnap you, especially after you shit yourself. Now, if you didn't catch it, what she's done, I guess, is she set the telephone, some kind of equipment for the telephone company. She set it on fire. I can't imagine why, other than as you hear, the government can't tell Christians what to do. The sad part is that she's got this nice house and this property. I don't know how people like this get through life. She's obviously an 8-pack short of a case.
I don't see a sock stop on it.
She didn't point it at me, but she picked it up and
You gonna take it? You gonna charge her with it? You announced yourself as a law enforcement officer. She jumped up with a pistol, right?
shit. She didn't point it at me. If she was just holding it, is that still?
So you
Phone?
phone?
Still.
Phone? Yeah, we'll take her phone for her.
Yeah.
You get a picture of this stuff.
Mind you, that's mine.
Well, you picked it up and pointed at me, so that's.
I was moving my gun.
You weren't moving it. You
I
picked
was
it up when I
moving
walked
my
in.
gun.
What's that all over
She's
her face?
lucky that
Hey,
the cop
Take
didn't
up, or is that
tase her.
she just bad or
Her face was red. I think that was all I saw. Yeah.
okay?
She's got the kind of splotchy.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Say about this.
She said that she didn't really say anything about it. She said she could do it. It was her property. I said, why is it over there? And she said, I said, that's not your property. That's telephone company's property. Charles Industries.
What?
Charles Industries. Never heard of them.
Is that gonna be telephone? Is that gonna be a telephone company?
Have y'all dealt with her before? She does stuff like this.
The one, she's the female that was just 1096. That they've been out here 2 or 3 times.
Yeah.
Took her to the hospital to get evaluated. She wouldn't answer none of the doctor's questions or anything, so they just turned her loose. She's the one that used to drive around. I don't know if it's that truck or not, but used to drive around in a pickup truck. Huh?
She's the anti-government woman and everything.
Right.
Yeah.
With the flag.
Yeah.
The-
Yeah.
Yeah.
Were you the one that called about her?
The guy that lives here today.
Okay. Give me a minute. I'm on the phone with the
Poor
telephone
neighbor.
company because she burned that thing up. I'll get back with y'all in a few minutes.
Okay.
Sorry.
I don't want her to know, so.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine. I'm sorry, ma'am. This is Deputy Jones with the Bullitt County Sheriff's Office in Statesboro, Georgia.
Yeah, you definitely don't want her knowing. So they had already had come out here 2-3 times. They released her. She went, they sent her for some kind of psych eval. She wouldn't answer any questions, so we just let her back. This woman eventually is going to do something where people are going to wonder, why wasn't she in custody, or why wasn't she on some kind of medication? She's clearly lost her screws.
We got a call about a woman that lives in a neighborhood and she has set the box on fire and it's charred up pretty bad. I put it out with a fire extinguisher. It seems like it's still secure to the ground somewhat, but it's charred up pretty bad. You're not falsely in prison, Miss Beverly.
Miss Beverly?
And I don't have your badge number. I'd like to add it to my photographic memory along with badge number 17, 21, and 44.
Mine is 75.
So she's collecting
Yes,
with her photographic memory the badge numbers of all the other officers
Jones.
that have falsely imprisoned
My
her.
property.
Outstanding. I swear, if she says property one more time with that dumbass twang she's got. I know the law.
Burning on my property.
There's fire burning on my property. Property. Son of a bitch. Shut the hell up, you crazy woman.
Or go to a police academy. You may have gone to Georgia Southern like mine,
Like
like I did,
sometimes-
in which case your degree is totally fucking worthless because
nails
it's
on a
owned by
chalkboard.
globalists. They're teaching you these laws that are completely contrary to God's law. Money laundering to fund a police force that works for the government. Yet you drive around in your little trucks, in your little cars, collecting your salary that comes from stolen taxpayer property. But in God we trust on your vehicle.
Guys, every single one of us, we've dealt with this. We have. All of us, every single one of you men watching this right now has an ex or a sister or someone you worked with that has that voice. It's worse than nails on a chalkboard. And what's sad is sometimes that little southern twang on a little cutie, it can be fun. But that grating, high-pitched, whining, like Tom Hanks in League of Their Own, you just please just don't say property again.
Which aren't really yours. They belong to the taxpayers. Are you familiar with Agenda
Oh, here we
21,
go.
Agenda 30?
Here we go.
Global communist agenda to imprison or 95% of humanity, make the other 5% slaves for the elite. They're not really elite, they're parasites.
Parasites.
Congratulations, Jones. Guess who they consider to be one of their 5%?
Me.
Yeah.
Woo!
It's really not funny.
Not laughing.
I love this guy.
It's really not funny.
This cop has really handled things
I
fantastically.
get my gun. You pointed your gun at my head and told me you could blow my brains out. But now,
You picked yours up at me when I walked in your house.
you'll freeze until some free-medicine judge decides to grant me freedom if I pay for it. After I meet with a DA or what do you call them, little fat? The word for
She's got a hell of a mouth on her for a
Take the
Christian.
deal for the state. Innocent until proven guilty. But if you go ahead and plead guilty, we'll cut you a deal. Do you not understand you work for the fucking government? You don't work for the people? Is that what you went to school for? Is that what you paid for? It's not what I thought last year when I was still walking around in the thin blue line shirt. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they'll inherit the kingdom of heaven. No, turns out that's the thin blue line. Make me
She has
walk
not
home from East Georgia
shut
Regional Hospital
up.
for a mental evaluation that was forced upon me against my will. Walk home into the night flip-flops by myself. As you can tell, that's a long ride. Y'all are doing a great job.
Now, I can't imagine why she would get taken for a mental health evaluation and then nobody would want to drive her home. I can't imagine why nobody volunteered to drive your ass home at 10 o'clock at night. It boggles my mind. You're so pleasant and agreeable and such sweet Southern charm.
Serving and protecting the public. What am I being charged with?
Well, here we
Criminal
go.
damage to property, first degree, for lighting the telephone box on fire.
On my property?
That wasn't on your.
How
It
my
doesn't matter
property?
if it's on your property or not. It's not your property though. The telephone box wasn't your property.
It's my property.
No. The telephone box is not your
Why are
property.
you explaining it to her like she's got a half of a brain cell, brother? Now, is this going to go well?
Yes, this is Deborah, who was on her property and had a gun pulled to her head.
The woman was charged
Okay,
with
we're done.
criminal damage
Okay,
to
so good.
property in the first degree,
Just no
obstruction,
more.
aggravated assault against a peace officer, interference with utility property, possession of a weapon during the commission of a felony, and third degree arson.
You've set your.
So, I think she kind of got off easy. I mean, the fact that she's yelling and screaming at this poor cop, you know what I'm saying. She's yelling and screaming at this guy. He's entering her home and she picks up her gun to put her gun away. I mean, that could have gone all sorts of wrong in so many different directions. Leave a comment. I've not seen this before. Now, we've seen the sovereign citizens and some of that craziness go on. I've not seen the government can't tell Christians what to do. I've not seen that brand of crazy. And there's one in every group. Whenever you get somebody say, well, not all of a group, right? Not all women, not all this, not all that. That's the woman right there. That's the picture that many people have in their head when somebody says, I'm a Christian. Christians, I guarantee you, don't claim her. They do not claim her and her stank ass shitting on herself. I'm a Christian. I shit myself. How'd that work out for you?